Hi, Nathan Height here for free affiliate market training for beginners. The question today is, what is a sales funnel? Well, to put it in simple terms, I will tell you a story. I saw my first sales funnel when I was 14. It was a late night infomercial called the Mellinger Plan. The pitch was buy overseas for pennies and sell in the US for dollars. The upfront cost was somewhere around $37 or maybe $97, I really can't remember. After you purchased, what you actually did was purchase the right to purchase their products, and they showed you how to trade. I bought their plan to get access to buy their products for cheap. Although the pitch was buy overseas, in the book it explained that if you couldn't afford to buy hundreds of products at once, you could buy as little as one product through them. And the reason you should buy from them was because they buy in such massive quantity that their price was way cheaper than we could get it unless we bought in huge quantity. So I could buy just one sample from them for less per item than I could purchase 50 through the manufacturer. Here's a little example. One through them would cost $1, and 50 through the manufacturer would cost $1.25. Anyway, that is an example of a funnel. I believe that I got daily faxes. Yes, I was 14. I bought a fax machine in the 80s. How dedicated is that? But the original sale cost me, let's say, $37, and then 5 days a week I'd get faxes with a list of products and quantity that they had left, which, if you wanted anything, it was your motivation to buy fast. On that list, products ranged in price from probably 25 cents each to probably $25. They funneled me. $37, then me, personally, was probably around $250 in sales. A sales funnel is basically, in today's terms, a group of web pages. The first one gives you something free in exchange for your email. The second one offers you an inexpensive product, $7 to $97. The third one, if there is a third, offers a more expensive product or group of products for $197 to maybe $297. The fourth offers an even bigger product for maybe $997 to $1997, and I'm sure you get the idea from there. Sales funnels make it possible to make money with the expensive cost of ad these days. And here's what I mean. If it costs you an average of $10 in ad spend to get a lead or sale, you need to get that $10 back ASAP to stay in business. Or it is pure profit with SEO, search engine optimization, but I will talk about that in a later video. Here's how you do it. If your average cost is $10 to get a client, the funnel might look like this. Number one, you got your opt-in page. That equals a free book for your email. You're $10 in the hole. Number two, you got your thank you page. Here's your book, and check this out. Number three, offer page. For $37, you can get this. A $300 value equals $27 in the green. Offer page. Number four. Since you like that, here is this for $97, a $700 value, possibly $124 in the green for you. Number five, offer page. Since you came this far, why not get the whole package for $997, a $10,000 value, possibly $1,121 in the green for you. That's what a sales funnel is. If this video grabbed your attention on sales funnels, then you should opt in below yourself. Get a free book plus shipping that explains everything I just told you in far greater detail, plus much, much more. I promise you don't even need hundreds of dollars to get started for a product. The book gets you started immediately. All you pay is shipping. The book changed my life with just the first chapter, which is the overview that I just shared with you for free. Just get started with a free book and make your own decision from there. The book even has a guarantee. I promise, if you love marketing or sales or money, it's life-changing. Opt in below or to the right and get your free copy today. Thank you for your time. My name is Nathan Height, and this video was brought to you by Free Affiliate Market Training for Beginners. Thank you for watching.